Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Hunt, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, I've been doing a lot of cooking videos because I have the Alpha Gal, or Gal, however you say it, ALPHA-GAL. And we're dairy free because of my granddaughter. So this is kind of how this channel started in the first place, was showing people how with food allergies, you have different ones, how to eat. And I ended up getting the tick bite about 5 years ago, between 4 and 5 years ago. And just recently, last summer, realized what was going on. So, now I just cook differently. No red, I've had links, have stuff down on the channel about it. Now, they can't have red meat, no cow, no beef, no pig, pork. Let's see, like deer meat, no. I know people eat buffalo and all, nothing like that anymore. All birds, fowl, fish, chicken, yeah. So, I try to do different things with ground turkey, chicken. I'm not a big fish eater. We eat shrimp once a week. I do have a can of salmon that I remember eating salmon cakes growing up. We used to eat a lot of fish growing up. So, they did. Salmon cakes I would eat. Fish not so much. But, you know, things change and maybe I need to start learning how to eat those things. I don't know. Anyway, lunch today. I have been cooking in the my Ninja Foodi Deluxe, because y'all know this stove over here. Yeah. Yeah, forget it. We're not using it. Well, yeah. We've used it some, but not like cooking anymore because we've got a bunch of gadgets. So let me show you show you what I've done. Alright, so today I just put my seasoning. I pressured. I've got cauliflower. This is turnips and onions. And yes, this is the middle part of the cauliflower. My mom used to steam that and we would eat it. So I just seasoned everything. You probably can season it before you pressure cook it, but I didn't. I just seasoned it afterwards. So I'll put that on a plate and have that for lunch. And my son's been cooking in this, and they had it still on sale, so he bought a second one. So, yes, he bought a second one because we just decided we're not going to use the stove as much. It's not the stove oven part, it is the burner part. So, yeah. How much fun. And what I'm doing right now is just getting everything out of the pressure cooker. Well, the Ninja. I use the pressure cooker setting. I put it on high for like maybe 5 minutes, 6 minutes, because I knew it wouldn't take so long. We're talking about pressure cooking. Instagram or back and forth on YouTube, and I remember my dad, and this is the old pressure cookers. And he would cook potatoes and turnips and beef tips in it, and I was like, oh, that was the best thing ever. I have to use something else besides beef tips. So let me show you how I plated it up. And just realized everything is white today, so it's a white day. I just laid it there. I'll probably add, in fact, I know I will. I got hooked on these mung beans. It is just so simple to do. Add some mung beans. And, oh, why not? Right. Cheese makes everything better. There we go. And I used Follow Your Heart, dairy-free Parmesan cheese, and this was grated. It's just like the other cheese that you get. So, that is lunch. It looks so good. I am so ready to eat. Oh, I know. My eggs. We have not done those eggs. I think it's... I'm going to try to get those eggs done tonight. Oh my goodness. Yes, those eggs. That's the experiment that I restarted. It may be over a month now that they've been sitting there. So we shall see. I'll open it up tonight. Yep, and we'll see what they look like. So if you haven't, subscribe, like, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.